Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel Inkit Designs. Let's continue creating this wireframe. Before we get started, I would like to highlight that if you haven't watched the part 1, I would recommend you to stop right here and watch that first. I have added the link to that video in the top right corner of the screen. Now let's begin. Now let's replace these squares with the icons. Ideally, we could use plugins, but let's not discuss plugins for now. Go to Chrome and type Google Icons and hit the first search, Material Symbols and Icons. Google Material Design Icons is an icon set of 7,000 plus icons. It's been open sourced with the license, and all icons can be used for personal and commercial purposes. Now let me fast forward and search for the icons that I will need. Just find the icon that you need and hit SVG. Now to place the downloaded icons into the Figma file, go to the Shapes tool and Place Image. Simply select the SVG file and click on the Figma frame where you need to place it. Now let's replace the icons in the wireframe. I have arranged all the icons inside the wireframe. Now it's time to fill in with the colors. And we are done. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Stay connected.